amazing attention that is paid to detail down here. It really does look like a subway station, doesn't it? Could you keep your arm inside the tram? Thank you. On your left-hand side, we have our tracks for our subway train. On the right, we have turnstiles you have to pass through to enter a subway. You can see the stairs that lead up to the street scene right above our heads. We have map routes on the walls, ticket machines, benches waiting for the train. Pretty much everything you'd see in your average subway station. We've got right down here some payphones, advertisements, although who really uses a payphone anymore? I mean, everybody's got a cell phone. Just a little problem, so don't worry, you get used to them after a while. Please stay seated. Please stay seated in the back. Uh-oh, turn around back on your left-hand side. The ceiling's caved in. Seen the worst of it now. We're gonna. Oh no! The water mains have broken! Gentlemen, you've just experienced earthquake, the big one.